Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
First, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer before you begin. This protects your photos, messages, and settings if a repair needs restoration. Next, force restart the device to clear temporary glitches. Hold the right buttons for about 30 seconds until the Apple logo appears. Then open Settings and check for an iOS update. Install any update to rule out software causes before attempting hardware fixes or opening the phone. If lines persist, try a sequence of safe software resets to avoid hardware work. Force restart precisely. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the side button about 30 seconds. If that does not help, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset, and reset all settings. This keeps data but restores system defaults. Finally, run a display diagnostic in Settings or via Apple support to confirm whether the issue is software versus a loose or damaged connector. For a likely hardware fix, power the iPhone fully off and remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port. Use a suction handle and a thin pry tool to lift the display gently from the frame without bending it. Disconnect the battery connector first to prevent short circuits, then unplug the display connector and reseat it firmly until you hear a soft click. Reassemble and power on to test. If lines remain, replace the display assembly or contact Apple for professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.